How do organizations keep location data from multiple sites organized, accurate, and easy to access? With MAPOG, you can centralize all your location data on a single interactive map, making it easy to manage, update, and collaborate in real time. Begin by opening story.mapog.com and navigating to Open Workspace under the Operations and Planning section. Then, go to Locations, click Add, and choose New Location Type to create a template that standardizes your listing information. Provide a name for the template, select a suitable color, and set the geometry type to point. Next, add the required attributes using text, number, drop-down, or multi-select fields based on the information you want to store. Then click Create Type to save the template. Next, open the Upload section, select the template you created, and import your CSV or Excel file. Assign a unique ID to every location to prevent duplicate entries. Match each spreadsheet column to its corresponding attribute, ensure the latitude and longitude fields are mapped correctly, and click Submit to complete the upload. Now, navigate to Open Workspace under the Create and Publish section and click Create New Map. Choose the Template option, select the category Template, and continue. Enter a map title and a brief description. Once the map opens, go to Settings, upload your logo, and save the changes. Next, click Add Location and select Add via Library. Search for the business template you created earlier, then select the required locations individually or use Select All to include every location. Click Add Business Locations, and the selected points will be displayed on your map. Select any location and open the Edit panel to add descriptions, images, and other relevant information. Repeat this process for each location to keep your map detailed, informative, and consistent. To improve map readability, open Add Layer Style and choose Category Styling. Assign different icons and colors based on location attributes so users can easily distinguish between different categories. You can further organize the map using the Group By feature, which groups locations based on selected attributes, reducing clutter and making the map easier to explore. Once your map is complete, open Preview and Share to configure the sharing settings. Decide whether the map should remain private or be made public, then share it using a direct link or embed it on your website. Finally, invite collaborators by going to Access and selecting Add User. Add project members, assign appropriate access permissions, and send invitations so everyone can view, update, and collaborate from the same centralized location hub. With MAPOG, you can centralize project site information, visualize progress on an interactive map, collaborate seamlessly with your team, and manage construction operations more efficiently from a single platform. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.